Does she listen music every day?
Does she listen to music? Listen ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆల్వేస్ టు.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి.
Does she listen to music every day?
యా. నిన్నెందుకు ఆమె మ్యూజిక్ వినలేదు?
Why did she listen to music yesterday?
వినలేదు.
Why didn't she listen to music yesterday?
యా. ఆమె రోజు ఎప్పుడు మ్యూజిక్ వింటది?
When does she listen to music every day?
ఆమె రేపు ఎంతసేపు మ్యూజిక్ వింటది?
How long will she listen to music tomorrow?
ఆమె రేపు మ్యూజిక్ వింటదా?
Will she listen to music tomorrow?
ఆమె రేపు మ్యూజిక్ వినదా?
Won't she listen to music tomorrow?
నిన్న ఎవరు మ్యూజిక్ విన్నారు?
Who did listen music yesterday?
హూ లిజన్డ్. హూ వచ్చినప్పుడు we should not
sorry.
does it.
Who listened music yesterday?
Listened to music yesterday.
Who listened to music yesterday?
నిన్న నువ్వు మ్యూజిక్ ఎంతసేపు విన్నావు?
How long did you listen to music yesterday?
How long did you listen to music yesterday? నిన్న ఇంకెవరు మ్యూజిక్ విన్నారు?
Who else listened to music yesterday?
యా. నిన్న ఉదయం అంతా నువ్వు మ్యూజిక్ వింటూ ఉన్నావా?
Had you been listening music all morning yesterday?
To be said, had you been
listening to music all morning yesterday?
యా. రేపు ఇదే టైంకి నువ్వు మ్యూజిక్ వింటూ ఉంటావా?
Will you be listening to music at this time tomorrow?
యా. రేపు ఎంతసేపు మ్యూజిక్ వింటూ ఉంటారు?
How long will you have been listening music tomorrow?
Listening to music. ఆమెని మ్యూజిక్ వినమను.
Ask her to listen to music.
Ask her to listen to music. Okay. ఆమెని మ్యూజిక్ వినొద్దను.
Listen to music.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
మనం మ్యూజిక్ విందామా?
Shall we listen to music?
ఆమెని మ్యూజిక్ వినమందామా?
Shall we ask her to listen to music?
మనం మ్యూజిక్ వినకుండా ఉంటే మంచిది.
We had better not listen to music.
We had better not listen to music.
Hi, my name is Hemalata from Bangalore. I am a teacher. I would like to share my experience about Sai Academy Spoken English online classes. First, I want to express my gratitude wholeheartedly to Sai sir, because now I am able to speak in English. All credit goes to Sai sir. I would like to share why I joined these classes. Before I became teacher, I was homemaker. After I joined as a teacher, English speaking was very big task for me, because when it comes to me to speak with others, I was struggling a lot. So I decided to learn English. When I was searching on YouTube channel, I saw Sai Academy Learn English through Telugu Stories. Then I started watching Sai Academy YouTube channel. One day, sir announced about the online classes. Then I contacted sir. Sir explained about the classes. So I joined. Coming to the way of teaching, his way of teaching is very simple and effective. Sir has lot of patience. Sir has given all the students a chance to practice in the classes so that everyone can speak in English. If anyone wants to join, no need to worry. Sai sir teaching is very good. Before I joined this course, I didn't this much confidence. But after I joined these classes, I am able to speak with others confidently because of Sai sir. Nowadays, English is very important in our daily life. Really, if you want to learn English, I suggest Sai Academy Institute is the best way of learning English. If possible, utilize this opportunity. Thank you, Sai sir.